Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're well, I hope you're blessed, I hope you're living life. Today is Sunday. In this crowd right now, there's lots of Igbo people. So I'm about to ask our aunties and uncles if they know their Lord's Prayer in Igbo. As in, can you say our Lord's Prayer in Igbo? So come with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, let's go. Our first member, this is Chinonso. Chinonso, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Hi. So this is my YouTube channel. Okay. So right now, you want Igbo? Igbo as of ma. It is sure. In a Chineke. In a church. Okay. So actually now, I want you to say the Lord's Prayer in Igbo. Oh yeah, video. I'm at church. I'm gonna church.
Anyway,
Oh, then excuse me.
let me excuse.
Okay.
Nine on any way. Which is the Rafagi. Coach Chigibia. Came Chigin over. Dickies me and you. Nyai Tata. Rainco was yai. Bahara in my haiga. Because of my Milani.
Okay, you said the Catholic version?
Yeah, I'm Catholic.
Okay. I'll pass it. Well done. Let's go find somebody else. Hi guys. So we found another uncle. So we're about to ask them the question. You know how we do. So uncle, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to church for my uncle. So here to now. Can you go see how they shall go our Lord's Prayer? Igbo.
Yeah, our Lord's Prayer. Okay, let's just say go in Igbo. And I give you any Igbo. Kafa so. Came if you not on what the case you made in Igbo. Kaleza Gibia. Came if you not on what the case you open. Okay. If I do it to no marker, Madame Ogana Gana, nature of seeing with Fedana. If I didn't pack an nature of no, 9 Gabriel, Kafa didn't so. Can yes, a Gibia. Came a feather if a John over. Yes, you may
bless you, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, age, yeah.
The case you may need. Why enjoying the guys were one liberally or job. Edubali Nimon, don't tie that card. Don't tie that card. So
we are actually here to celebrate Auntie, you know. Auntie, do you want to tell them a bit why we're here? Oh, wow. Okay. So today, Auntie is ordained. Yeah, she's a priest. So that means she's a priest. Do you understand? Yes. So she's in the best position to do this thing well and do it well. So Auntie, I want you because my channel mainly Igbo things, you know, to encourage Igbo people, young people to know their language and continue speaking the language. Okay, so today the Christian version is for people to say our Lord's Prayer, but in Igbo. A lot of people have failed it already today before you. So, but I hope and I know that you will do justice to it. So our Lord's Prayer, tell us. Oh, okay. Now, I am now the one under pressure. The pressure. Okay, so until that, go Igbo. Can the matter potential prayer. So the hamata can practice. Okay. It's a bad.
n'ihi na alaeze bụ nke gị n'ike gị n'otito ugbu a na mgbe niile.
Amen. Chika, say amen.
Amen.
Camera woman, say amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Come on.
Amen.
I'm passing it. Oh, double. She double pass.
Okay, how many minutes got
10 seconds.
Okay, but then, okay.
It depends on you. So, about equal in a Chineke.
Yes,
In a Chineke. In a church. I'm working at church. Okay, so, actually, I'm not a they shake very nine on the Igbo. One would they shake our Lord's Prayer.
No Igbo.
No Igbo, yeah.
Okay, as if we can say 9 on any Igbo. 9 on any Igbo. Okay, hold on. It's a little bit of Igbo. 9 on any Igbo. Can I say, can you be natural? It's case in any Igbo. A metal no one. Nine tata, no was in okay, 9 tata. So 9 tata.
Nine tata. Something. I just follow much.
Maybe you get it. I remember I just went in the
I want What's it?
I'm not trying.
Okay, so
when I was on the shame, if I get in a YouTube, when you're my own for us,
what's the one that was more safe? You know, that she may be in So I need, so you know, I want to encourage people to be praying more on Igbo, and you know, stay.
But I did my very on the Ezimuma and
Accessible. On a double
for my. Goes to do no be. And you know, I got up my feet, we are on my baby, Sabia, or very, odd in Parine. So, Bagala and I name is here off. I will know of Niger. And he will also see Bogi, Ebe Onibo, let's soak an H. On our carry a carrier gig. So,
it got one has a try later. It got $1 have a there. So, next time I'm hungry. Again.
So if I am a guitar now, we take a bring in Abdias or Zaka. My name is to mobile and mania. We probably have to go and Gabe schools can name on our brother or suppose, Macabro, year of one India. I can see among my own here. On a big about I need a kind more, I walk and I in anywhere. Can I even anywhere? Can Moya, Mutasian of my Munogum, General Bible, Kamutapia, but sales or Jusiam can call you of my.
Oh, even also. It will let's say the video.
I'm Anambra State, Bologna, capital of Anambra.
Hey!
I'm Anambra. And the other one find the money in the boat FIFA. And we bony, I need a boat FIFA. Then the quality from one. And if was on that you will, Kaiwan Bobundibo, for wine and if I know what the one offer mobile, I may zone your battery of Market Academy. I will grow carry twice.
Thank you. See how subscribe to my channel.
But because if I know how to make it now, why for the Macabo, in a senior, he press your subscribe. Go to be born age. When you was bell, you like Wi-Fi name, I can alone read without the loan, the quality of Kachine can be anywhere because I need it. Christ boy, wine.
Amen. Thank you.